Hi everyone.
Today we're playing Kiddopia.
Yeah, and we're gonna watch a Scarecrow Workshop movie from Kiddopia to get into the Halloween spirit. Captain Kid that does the dab, just like Ella.
I always see the dab.
Oh, Scarecrow Workshop. I wonder what this one's gonna be about. That's a nice painting.
Okay, kids. Today, we're going to see how our vegetables are doing and to see if they're ready to eat.
Ooh, that's exciting.
I want to try the carrots! No! The potatoes! Ew! Everyone knows runner beans are the best!
Don't worry, beavers. We'll try them all. Who's going to do some digging?
Me!
Oh, Me!
Please! Can I? I never get to do anything, Mr. Tiger!
You can each have a turn, but Harriet, you can begin.
What do I have to do, Mr. Tiger?
Let me show you first. Make sure no one is standing too close. And then, lift the spade and push it into the ground. Then, use your foot to stand on it. Pull down on the handle, and you'll be digging.
Okay, that seems easy.
Ooh, that's actually hard. You
Yeet!
A lot of strength. Oh, look!
One's mine!
Oh, okay, Beaver.
We'll take them back to the school and wash off first, and then everyone can try some.
Okay, Mrs. Tiger.
Wow. Well, look at them. They have a lot of energy because they're eating vegetables, I guess.
Okay,
I can really
think we
like
need to
Kenny's
use
school.
some of that
I'm like
energy.
Sonic.
Let's plant some seeds. Follow
Ooh,
me, everyone.
that's exciting. I love planting seeds and then seeing it grow.
I like to water the plant, but you never want me.
I do let
We're
you
going
water
to
the
plant
plants
some
sometimes.
pumpkins ready for
You ask me when I'm
Halloween.
done watering the plants.
These
I
are the
I didn't
seeds to
know.
sow.
Wow.
Come take a couple each, then spread out in a line.
Watch it! Hey,
Oh,
wait your turn! Look where you're going!
yay! They're planting seeds. They look like pumpkin seeds to me. What do you think? Yeah. Oh! The bird just got their seeds! No!
Shoo, shoo!
Oh no!
That's
They're
not
eating all the
good.
seeds we just planted!
Oh, look at that hippo.
Buzz off!
We don't have any pumpkins!
Oh, they were pumpkin
I
seeds.
have an idea. Gather round, everyone. To keep the birds away, we're going to need to make some scarecrows.
I
What's a
already know how to
scarecrow,
like
Mrs.
stick.
Tiger?
You do?
Let me show you, Daniel.
Wow, look at that scarecrow.
That's kind of scary.
Looks a bit like
Yeah.
you, Mrs. Tiger.
Thank you very much, Chris.
How is an old pile of clothes and straw going to stop the birds eating all our seeds?
Let me show you.
Magic!
No.
Do you kids want to make some
His
scarecrows
magic is
of
not
your
real.
own? Yes, we do! Okay, very well. Get into pairs and we'll fetch you some straw and old clothes. The best scarecrow wins a prize.
Wow, they have all the materials needed to make a scarecrow now. Oh, look, they're fighting.
They're ours, Liam. We saw them first, Henry.
Oh, no.
That's what happens when you don't share.
Sorry, Mr. Tiger.
That's okay. Go back and finish your projects. Okay, everyone. You have 5 minutes left.
There, that
Wow,
should do it.
that
We're
doesn't
going
look
to win
scary.
for
That's
sure,
so
Peony.
cute.
It's all right, Petey. Scarecrows are meant to be messy. It'll scare the birds better. Yeah, that's true, Chris.
Okay, time's up. Let's see what you've all made.
Wow, that's nice.
Very good.
Ooh, 4
I
hands.
like the extra R.
Oh, I mean 4 arms, yeah.
Ooh,
4 hands, too.
very scary.
Yay!
This is lovely. Good job.
That one's cute. Do you think that would scare the birds away?
Okay, we have made a decision.
The winners are...
The beavers.
Wow. Wow.
Let's go test it out.
That looks scary.
No, it does not.
It does not. Okay.
Okay, let's plant some more seeds, and then we'll go try the vegetables.
Wow, those vegetables look so
Make sure
yummy
you eat
and
them
fresh.
all. Vegetables are very good for you.
Yeah.
We won!
They're okay, I guess. So, you've all tried them
I
now.
mean, like watermelon.
What shall we
You
make
like
for lunch?
watermelon? Yeah, me too.
Watermelon is sweet.
I like blueberries too, like carrots. I like so many vegetables. Like that's all I
And I'm just like,
What?
those ones, I don't really want it.
Oh! I wonder what is gonna happen to the pumpkins. Yay! That was so awesome. Thank you, Kiddopia, for that awesome episode of the Scarecrow. Just in time for Halloween, we're thinking about scary things, wearing our non-scary costumes. Yeah, Mommy's the Cookie Monster. And until next time, have a lot of family fun learning.
If you have the same costume as me, like and subscribe.
Yeah, and happy Halloween. And be safe.
Yeah.
Bye.